Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and running a recent iOS. This matters because menus differ across versions. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is active and you're signed into your Apple ID, since some location features require network access. Now open Settings and either scroll to Privacy or tap the search bar and type Location Services. You should see the Location Services toggle at the top. We'll flip that next to enable system-wide. With Location Services on, you'll see a list of apps. This is where you control who gets data. Tap an app and pick Never, Ask Next Time. While using the app, or always, choose the least permissive option that still allows the app to work. Make sure to visit System Services at the bottom to enable precise location or significant locations if needed for maps or reminders. These settings explain why your location is used, so adjust them to balance privacy with functionality. Finish by reopening any app that needs location and confirm it shows the expected permission prompt. Enable precise location if accuracy matters. If an app still can't find you, restart your iPhone and verify date and time are set automatically, because incorrect time can break location services. As a last resort, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Location and Privacy. This clears permissions and prompts apps again, a quick fix when settings become inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.